Hello everyone, and welcome to this lesson where you will learn about encryption in S3 buckets. Encryption is used for data protection. There are two types of encryption in S3. The first one is the encryption in transit. This is performed when you are sending data to and from the bucket. You can protect data in transit using secure socket layer, transport layer security, or when using buckets using the HTTPS. So when accessing it through HTTPS means the data goes over through port 443, and if there is anyone in between the client PC and the S3 bucket trying to intrude, they won't be able to access the information being transmitted because it is encrypted. The next important type is encryption at rest. This is when your data is stored on disks in Amazon S3 data centers, so the data is only sitting there and nothing is being transmitted. This is why it is called encryption at rest, and this is also known as server-side encryption. And there are three different types. First is the SS3 S3. These are the S3 managed keys, and S3 itself manages all the encryption and decryption for you, and you don't need to worry about anything. It uses AES 256-bit encryption. This is the common type and the easiest to use. Next one is the SSE KMS. KMS stands for Key Management Service, and this is where you work on AWS with your own style of key management using the Key Management Service. Then we have the server-side encryption C, which is using server-side encryption with customer-provided encryption keys that allows you to set your own encryption keys. There are cases where you need to enforce that everything that goes into the bucket is encrypted. So there are two ways to do it. You can do it using the console, and this is the easiest way and is configured at the time when you create your bucket, and with a few clicks the encryption is enabled. And the other method is using the bucket policies, where you need to write down the policies to enforce the encryption. Alright, so this is it for this session. I hope you have got an understanding of how the encryption method works in S3.